I'm PJ from TreelineUSA.com. Today I'm here to introduce you to the Foredom number 50 chisel handpiece. It's an incredible accessory that fits onto most Foredom tools, and it converts it from a rotary action to a reciprocating action to allow you to zip off material very quickly without any dust. So let's dive right in and show you a little bit more about this. Okay, the number 50 handpiece will fit onto most Foredom tools. What you want to watch for to make sure yours will fit is to make sure yours has that what's called the key type shaft. Notice a little flag on it or key on there. If your shaft looks like that, then it will work with this. If yours is square, that's a different style of Foredom that will not work with this. And so to put it on there, just make sure that that key lines up with the slot on the inside of the handpiece and just press it straight together, just like that. So the other thing to watch for too is this handpiece likes to be run somewhere between 1,000 and 8,000 RPM. So you can either use your foot pedal to regulate the speed, or you can use a benchtop rheostat. The Foredoms, most of them run up to 18,000 RPMs. They have a few different models that run a little bit slower than that, but like the SR and a few others, they run at 18,000 RPM. So on that, you'd be running it on this dial somewhere a little bit less than half speed, maybe down. So I'd probably put it somewhere between a quarter and half to kind of get that speed right. So to put a chisel in, really simple. Just slide the chisel in place, tighten it down by hand, and then use the wrench and just make it cinch tight, or just kind of cinch it down a little bit like that. And that's in there. Let's turn this on and show you how it's used. We've got it up there just over a quarter speed. And notice on this that the chisel doesn't move until you put pressure against it. But once you put pressure against it, then it zips right off. And notice on that too, there's no dust. These chips are a whole lot easier to clean up than dust. So that's going with the grain. This is on basswood here, which is a nice, soft, easy to carve wood, but also the favorite carving wood for most wood carvers. This is going with the grain, but you can use it for sure on harder materials, and it'll still cut very, very well. Definitely easier to do it by hand, but of course, as you're carving, you might have to sharpen more often if it's a harder material you're working with. Notice on here too that the handpiece is quite small, but not too small. So people that have arthritis in their hands or have a hard time gripping tightly, this handpiece is a good size for most people. And especially still be able to get that hand-hewn chisel cut without all the dust. Sure makes a lot of difference with this handpiece. You can get the Foredom number 50 handpiece in a couple different ways. One, you can buy it just the handpiece by itself to fit onto your Foredom tool, or you can buy the number 50 handpiece with a set of 6 chisels. Flex Cut also makes a line of tools that will fit right into this as well. They have a couple different 4-piece sets. You can buy them individually too, or you can buy them in the big 14-piece set. And that just expands your range of different options for different varieties of V-tools and U-gouges and different things you can put into that tool. So anyway, the Foredom number 50 handpiece has been on the market for quite a while, but it's something people have really loved using, especially when they want that hand-hewed chisel look, but without all of the dust. So to pick up your number 50 handpiece, or for supplies like this, visit us at TreelineUSA.com. And if you like this video, please click subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.